Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Kishalay. So as you already came to know from the thumbnail, that in this particular video I am going to talk about the course structures for MTech at IISc in Computer Science department, and also I'm going to share about my experience, like how difficult it was for me to choose the subjects for the first semester, because as I was entering to IISc, this whole new environment, I didn't have any idea of the different courses, how difficult it would be, and how will be my grades if I choose some subjects and if I won't choose some subjects. So based on that, the decision should be taken. So that idea I didn't have, so it was difficult for me to initially choose the subjects. So how I have managed that I'm going to share in this particular video. So now first coming to the course structure. So MTech at IISc, especially in the computer science department, is a very course heavy curriculum, and the courses are of very high standard and they are very challenging to pursue. So typically you have to complete 11 courses in your 2 years of MTech curriculum, that is 4 semesters. Now these courses are divided into 3 pools, like there are pool A, pool B and pool C. Now pool B is theoretical computer science pool, where you have courses like design and analysis of algorithm, cryptography, complexity theory. So all the subjects that comes under the theoretical part of the computer science, that comes into this particular pool, and you need to have a lot of mathematical foundation and theoretical understanding to be able to succeed in this particular pool, because a lot of proofs they will ask in these courses, and you have to you just don't have to answer the questions, you have to also give the proper proof or justification for the particular answer. So that's why these are theoretically rigorous courses. Next is pool B. Pool B is the system pool, where you will have courses related to computer systems like operating system, architecture, then networkings, database management system, and subjects like compilers. So these are the courses like which is directly related to the computer system, that comes under this particular pool B. And you don't need to have that much mathematical knowledge for this particular pool, but you have to do a lot of coding, because this systems courses require a lot of coding. So you need to do lot of coding, both at the software level also and also system level, to do well in these courses. And finally pool C. Pool C is the intelligence system pool, where like machine learning, artificial intelligence, linear algebra, probability, these subjects comes under this particular pool. And I personally think that this is a kind of a mixture of both pool A and pool B. Like you need to understand maths also, because all the machine learning models, there are some sort of probability and linear algebra involved behind it. So you have to understand that mathematical knowledge, mathematical basics and foundation, that you have to understand behind those models. And also you have to do decent amount of coding, because at the end of the day you have to design the model and train the model. So you need to do a decent amount of coding also to be able to succeed in this particular domain. So these are the 3 pools are there, and there are a lot of courses being offered for each of these pools, and you have to take total 11 courses that will come from these 3 pools. I was saying there are 11 courses total you have to complete in your 2 years of MTech curriculum. So there is a pool requirement that at least you have to take 2 courses from each pool. So like from pool A, pool B, pool C, you have to take 2 courses. So total 6 courses you have to take such a way that each will come from the 2 pools. And that too, you have to this pool requirement you have to complete within first year, that means in the first 2 semesters. So typically in the first semester you will be taking 4 courses, and they expect that you will be taking 1 courses from each pool at least in the first semester. That means you will be taking 3 courses from 3 of the pools and 1 courses from any one of them. So your one of the pool requirement will be done in the first semester. Now remaining two pool requirement, that you have to complete in your second semester. So by the end of second semester you are expected to complete your pool requirement. That means you have done at least 2 courses from each of this pool by the end of second semester. Now the reason behind having this kind of a course structure is that IISc expect all the students to have a flavor of all these 3 pools, all these 3 domains of computer science within the first couple of semesters, so that they will have an idea of all the pools. And now once they have the idea and they will understand that whichever pool they will be comfortable, then according to that they can choose a particular domain or particular professors, and they can pursue their MTech project under them. So to have that idea, to understand that which pool you like, to understand that you should have a flavor of all the pools, and that's why they have this kind of a course structure. So I'll be giving the link of the department in the comment section, so you know, our description section, so you can go and look in details about all the courses, and you know, all the courses and all the course description in detail, so that it will be helpful for you. Coming to the part that how difficult it was for me initially to choose those 4 subjects for the first semester, because you know, when you joined IISc for MTech, in the first semester you didn't have any idea that how the courses are there and how rigorous or how tough it will be going forward. So the main concern for us was, me and my teammate, my classmates, was like, which are the 4 subjects we will be choosing, and also you know, that one pool that you have to complete in the first semester, which pool you will be finishing in the first semester. So that was the biggest concern and confusion for all of us. So we started discussing with our seniors, and again there was also difference of opinions, like a lot of people say a lot of things, and that made us again much more confused. So, and also you know, like at IISc, in the starting 15 days you will be getting to register the subject. So the starting 15 days of a semester, you can attend any of the classes. You can just, you know, have a idea that how the classes are going on, what is the course structure, typically grading structure and all, and then you decide within 15 days that which are the subjects you want to take. But the problem is, in the first semester you don't have any prior idea that how the courses will be and all. And one of the cliche things that most of the seniors say, that you know, just attend the class, whichever you will feel comfortable, just take it. But believe me, the problem is that, you know, in the first semester you will be feeling equally comfortable in all the subjects. Most of the subjects you will be feeling equally comfortable, and you don't know how it will be after 1 month or couple of months, because that will be completely different after 1 month. So there will be lot of pressure upcoming after 1 month. So that idea I didn't have, and that like we all of us was so much confused and all. So finally what we decided is, like, we chosen the subjects. Personally, I have chosen the subject what most of my batchmates has taken, and that is how the decision has been made in the first semester. But yeah, after completing 1 semester, I have the idea that what are the patterns and what are the things that I have to keep in mind to choose a subject, and according to my merit and according to my comfortness, so I have chosen subjects from the second sem onward. But first semester it was very difficult to choose subject, and I would suggest, if you are going for MTech at IISc, especially in CS department, go for the subjects what most of the students or maybe most of your seniors has taken. So because that is kind of probably the most, I can say, the best solution at that particular moment. So that's about today's video. So that is about my experience at IISc, that how I've chosen different courses in the first semester, and how is the overall course structure at IISc for MTech in the computer science department. So if you like the video, please like it and share it to many people, so that you know, they will get to know about the course structure and how difficult it was to choose the course in the first semester. And also, if you are new to this channel, so please subscribe my channel and help me to grow my channel. So that's it guys, that's it about today's video. I'll be meeting in the next video. Until then, bye.